Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel GIS and Depot. So in our first video of this topic, nighttime day or night annual band composite using this data set. Already we complete our exported from exported TIFF file function. Okay, so now I am going to show how you can easily make time series chart or time series data using this satellite VIIRS nighttime day or night annual band composite data set using in Google Earth Engine platform. So in our first part one video, already we complete from export. Okay, we may make all of the things from using this data set, data set, and then we filtered our specific time frame. Then we use at the select average band name. Then we make a median composite images. Then we clip our study area, then we export it. This our final clipped area, our final filtered area is nighttime clipped. Okay, already we export these images in our Google Drive. So now I am going to show how you can easily make time series chart or time series data using this data set time series chart. Okay, so now I am going to show. So we make a one line of comment. So time series time series chart make a time series chart. So first of all we take a variable. Suppose variable name is chart. You can use any variable name, so no problem. First of all you take a variable, and variable name is chart. And now I am using chart function ui dot chart dot image to series. Okay, image to series, image. Okay, image to series. Okay, so image not to image dot series. Okay, image dot series. So this is our function ui dot chart dot image to series. Then we all of the argument step by step fill up. So then we export or make our time series data using Google Earth Engine platform by using this set of the data set. So what is our collection? Our collection. What is our collection? You see here the our total 9 images. Okay, total 9 images. We see here the total. Okay, wait a minute. We make a comment this line. Then we see the total 9 images. Okay, so total 9 images. Step by step we filtered. So our main filtered uh, first of all our filtered images name is nighttime when we use the average band combination. Okay, so then we median. After median we see the already 9 images. Then we clip study area, and median we average function. So suppose so for this we use here the band selected filtered variable name nighttime. Okay, we easily use here the band selected filtered variable name. So then now I make an uncomment and active this line. Okay, image collection is our night time. Okay, then region. What is our region? Region is our interested area or interest area. Our region is our interested area. Already we import as a for vertices as a polygon. RY region of interest. We set here the region of interest. Then we use here the reducer function. What is our reducer function? We reduce our function reducer or our mean value. Okay, so dot reducer dot mean function. We use here the dot reducer dot mean function. Okay, dot reducer dot mean function. Okay, So then scale value. What is our scale value? Scale value is our satellite data set supplied scale value. This is a for 163.83 meter resolution. So we use this satellite uh, dataset scale value. Then we x property is our system time start, because we select this date time frame year 2013 to 21. Then this time frame we use at the start system time start to system time end. Okay, so now we use at the system time start function. Sorry. Okay, system time start, system time, system time start. Okay. So the system now we print the chart. Now we print. We use the print function for printing our. We already created this our time series chart function and stored in the variable name chart. Okay. Now we easily copy this print chart variable name is chart. Simply copy and paste in print function. Then we go to the run. When you click the run, our chart is generating. Okay, after some time this chart already generating. Okay, so this is the band main across images using year of 2013 to 21. Okay, so when you expand it, expand this. Okay, nighttime value. Okay, this is our all of the value. If you want to download as a CSV file, just you download the CSV file and open, and you see all of the data in your Excel file. This is the yearly data set. Okay, yearly data set, that means sorry, yearly that means this is the daily. Yes, this is the yearly data set. January 13, year of 2013, 0.0696. January 2014, this value, all of the between uh, among this year, we see all of the value you use in your research paper or presentation paper or anything. Okay, so this is the process for making time series chart. You easily download it as a png format, as a image. So you, when you click to the png format, this is as a image. Okay, so now if you want to check, if you want to set all of the this, the band mean across name is a default name and band mean value is a default variable name. If you want to change this variable name, you use the set options function, and select all of the things of your setup. Use the set options function, set options, and all of the argument step by step we fill up all of the things chart. Okay, set option function you use, and this is the suppose you use the this nighttime uh, is this you use the this data set nighttime annual band composite. Then we use the time is the time, and it's the mean value or average value. So it's given on you, so no problem, it's not a big deal. So this is the process for making using this is our second part 2 video. Okay, so you I will put this part 1 video link in this video comment section. So you see first part video, and then you see this second part video of this using this data set. You making VIRS nighttime day night involve band composite data set using and make all of the things. Okay, so thanks for watching.